In today's challenge, let's rank countries by medals. Gold first, if gold is tied, silver decides. Still tied, bronze. And ties keeps the same rank. This task may sound simple, but most people mess it up by sorting and calling it a day. We are not doing that. Ranking needs logic, so before I click anything, I want one row per country and real numbers to compare. Right now, I've got events, I need totals. First, I will select only the columns I need, country and medal, that's it. If a column doesn't help me count or rank, it's dead weight. Less noise means fewer errors later. Here is a real crossroads. We can use grouping, pivoting or any other method. Today let's try pivoting. Select the medal column and use transform pivot column. For the value, just select country, the only possible option. That's how we can get the count of each medal type. But here is a real trick. You can change the formula to get what you want. Just replace country with medal and see what changes. So just one step and we are almost done. Each medal type becomes a column, and instead of values I'm counting how many times it appears. So we've stopped thinking in rows of data and started thinking in metrics. Now comes the interesting part. I'm adding a rank column, but I'm not ranking by one column. Gold is first, if gold is tied, Power Query looks at silver, and if that's tied too, it checks bronze. This is me declaring rules. Power Query isn't guessing, I'm telling it how medals work. And after our custom rule, the last argument is our rank kind. Here we need to use dense ranking, because if two countries are tied for second place, the next one is third, not fourth. That's not a Power Query thing, that's a real world thing. Now just reorder the columns as you like. Rank first, then country, then medals count. Only for readability, the logic is already done. Countries with more gold float to the top. When gold matches, silver decides. When both match, bronze breaks the tie. And when everything matches, same rank. Exactly what we are asked for. If I add more rows, the ranking updates. That's what I want as an analyst, something that survives new data. And don't forget, the more likes the video gets, the more challenges I'll cover in future tutorials. See ya!